Hi everybody, this is Vincent from Vincent Art Studio. Welcome back. Today let's do some practice together if you really want to master at any kind of painting. First, let's get all the supplies. Watercolor paper, tape it down, watercolor set, water, 2 different jars, paper towel, and brushes. And today's practice is called monochromatic. So it's basically you just choose one color and use different darkness to create contrast, and then make sure people can recognize what you want to show to them just through all this contrast. Alright, wait a second. I know people are questioning this practice, especially beginners. They will be wondering what is this thing to do to improve my painting skill. I just wanted something colorful. If I can use different colors to separate objects, why do I have to use contrast? Alright, here's the number 12, 26, 45. Alright, now let's see what happens if we take out all the colors. So this kind of monochromatic practice is really gonna help you improve to control the contrast and then make sure your spacing, your detail looks awesome. Alright, let's start to do this practice. And if you are a beginner, I really recommend you to have a reference or a sample to go with. It's very easy to find on Pinterest, those kind of website, and any kind of landscape or just any kind of picture will work. A better way to do it is just use Photoshop, make it black and white. That's it's gonna help you to recognize the contrast and different dark and light. And then what I go with it, it's just something bad just happened. I totally forgot that I have a piece of plastic something that wrapped it inside of my tissue paper. When I were trying to wipe this clouds out, it's just totally failure. It's so bad. I got something like it's scratching the paper and I didn't realize that. For the mountain part, since it's very far away, so we have to control the contrast. Don't use too dark of a color to make it. Just make sure everything looks soft and foggy. It's kind of blended into a mist. And since I chose this blue tone, so I kind of go a little emotional, just a little sad and lonely. So it's I don't know, it's a fisherman or it's just a guy. I don't really know why I put a hat on it. It's like a wild western hat. It's I don't know what happened. It's like a cowboy sitting under a tree, but right next to it is a boat. I guess I'm lacking at creativity. Alright, after I'm done with most of my like the basic layers, the lighter layers, and I tend to use darker colors. Always use for beginners, use lighter color first and then use darker colors. It's way easier to work it that way. Alright everybody, that's it. If you like my video, please subscribe, and I'll be making more watercolor tutorials or any kind of art tutorials. And see you guys next time.